We've looked at them in more detail.
So, 88 pounds and other.
Okay, welcome to American Dream Garage. Today I'm going to do another episode of What's My Car Worth, this time on a 1974 Camaro Z28. The reason I'm doing it is recently at two auctions within the last 2 months, actually, there have been 74 Z28s. In the last 5 years in auctions I've gone to probably less than 2 or 3 that I've seen. You really don't see very many of them at all. So the first one was in Florida, and I missed the actual auction day, but I did a walk around on the car and I've got the value for what it was worth. The second one was down in Oklahoma City, and that car I did a walk around, as well as we will watch it cross the block. And then I'd be very interested in your comments relative to what do you think the value differences of those cars are relative to this car. And coincidentally, both of the cars made it to the same number and did not sell. And they were, I think, somewhat different in their conditions. So we will take a look at that. This is a Bid Goes On car, 1974. Looks to be pretty nice paint. Aftermarket stereo and a loose gauge. No AC. Got the same curvy dash that mine has from heat. Pretty nice inside, very similar to the one I have. So bid goes on at 25. It's not my favorite color. You know, it's weird. Days and colors make a difference here. Yeah, just basically cleaned and painted. So nice car. Just probably not the right color for most people. I'm at Maple Brothers in Oklahoma City. 74 Z28. Unfortunately, this car has been messed with. I can't tell if it's numbers matching, headers, aftermarket, electronic ignition, incorrect wheels. The paint, it looks like it's been painted. Aftermarket stereo, aftermarket gauges, aftermarket shifter. Paint is okay. The interior is rough. I've got another video of a car in Florida that was way nicer than this. It was a no sale at $25,000. So we'll see what this goes for. I would not be interested in it. Even this is incorrect. There's a lot of things that are wrong with this car. It's unfortunate because you don't see this at auction very often. And one of the problems is they were either wrecked or destroyed. Something like this done to me. So anyway, we'll see what it goes for.
And now 59, and now 59 right here out. I've got 58 pound market, 59,000. Post bid, $58,500. Post sale, $58,500. Thank you.
Number 194, 1969 Chevy Camaro SSL. It's got to be 8-time automatic transmission, cold air, hot heat, power steering, rear spoiler, front spoiler.
So, 27,000, Marty. So, 27,000. 288, good job, Marty.
Number 199, 1974 Chevy Camaro Z28. Looky here. Rebuilt 350 V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, putting out over 300 horsepower to the factory G-code 4-speed manual transmission. It's got the dual exhaust, 10-bolt rear end, new rims, new tires. Here it is, beautiful orange with the black striping and the Z28 badging on it. Here's a nice looking car.
How about that's 50? I get 50,000, I'm going to go down 50. I get 50,000, I'm going to go 30. I get 30,000, I'm going to go down 30,000, I'm going to go 10, 12. I get down 10,000, I'm going to go down $15,000. Yeah, 15,000, I'm going to go down 15. I get 15,000, sometimes $15,000, 17. I get 17, I'm going to go down 20. I get down 20,000, 2. I get down 22,000, I'm going to go down 2. I get down 22,000, 22,000. I get down 22, down 25. Yeah, 22,000, I'm going to go down 5, 5, 5, 3. I get down 22, 23. I get down 23,000, I'm going to go down 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. I get down 23,000, I'm going to go 23,000. I get 3, 5, 23 gets me 25. Yeah, 23,000, I'm going to go down 5, 5, 5. Yeah, 25,000, I'm going to go 5, 5, 25. I get down 25,000, I'm down 7. I get down 27,000, down a party. I get down 25, 27,000, down 5. I get down 20,000, I'm going to go down 5, 5, 25, 5. Yeah, 25,000, I'm going to go down 5, 5, 5, going to be 5, going to be 5, going to be 5. Wholesale, 25,000.